Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be part 2 of the continuation of this little series of the tub to shower conversion. So in the last video I showed you what I needed to get done, and in this one, so I'm going to show you what I did. So I ended up taking out the tub, as you can see, and this is the plumbing that was behind the tub. So you can see in this corner here, I'm going to have to correct it. Those two supply lines right there, they're in the way of the tile that I'm going to put back. 2 rows, one here and then one down there after I put the shower pan down. And I'm also going to have to correct that drain because this is sticking out a good 4 to 5 inches from the wall. So I have to get rid of this part right here. And then put a 90 right down here. I gotta dig down a little bit, put a 90 there, and just come straight like that. So when the pan sits over it, it won't be obstructed, by that right there. So, and then also I gotta, once the plumbing's done here, I have to re-insulate all around. Well, actually just this wall here, basically, because this wall goes to the garage and it pushes a lot of heat this way. Here's the outside wall. That's concrete block right there. I have to patch up that hole right there. Originally they had a 3/4 inch copper pipe coming from outside, so I got to patch it here and then also on the outside, keep critters from crawling up in here. I removed, like I said, the tile that was there before and the backing board. So I'm gonna have to come back and also put cement board from here all the way down to the floor. All the way around. And here I'm gonna have to put some blocking behind this sheetrock. That's gonna go behind here and then come stick out almost all the way here, so I have a place to screw in my cement board. And pretty much do the same thing on this side right there. So as you can see, I also went ahead and removed the floor tile, the old floor tile, the old baseboard, to include the door molding right there, all the way up and around, and of course, behind the door as well, because then I'm going to put some new baseboard and molding over the door. The fixtures are staying. That's going to stay. Little towel holder is going to stay. Medicine cabinet with mirrors is going to stay. New mirrors going on there, as you can see. They're going to have to repaint the walls. And if they want me to do it, I'm going to have to, that's going to be additional cost because that wasn't figured in the estimate that I gave them. I also went ahead and continued putting a second coat of mud around the exhaust fan. So that's the second coat. I'm going to let that dry and then come back, scrape and smooth, scrape and sand. And then the next part I'm going to do is actually here. Let me move my little step ladder for a second. So here there used to be 2 supply valves. And that hole right there, that was the old one. So I just cut that off since those pipes are dead now. This is the new hookup that they ran. Here, this is also another one right there. Used to be another supply valve. So now I got to get some joint tape. Cover that hole. Cover all these little cracks and holes around that the plumber never finished. And go ahead and mud it. Let it set. Same old, same old. Scrape and sand. That way, get it prepped for painting. And that's going to be this part right here. Alright, and like I said, that's going to be my next prepping. And after that, once it's all done, I'll go ahead and start installing everything else. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next one. As always, please rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And don't forget to hit that bell button to get new notifications of upcoming videos. Alright, thanks guys. Catch you on the next one.